So let us solve this problem now. Let me read the question. So what is the least internal radius to which a bar of steel 100 mm wide and 10 mm thick can be bent so that the maximum stress will not exceed 500 Newton per mm square? HUM equals to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. So he has given in the question that there is a bar, a steel bar as shown in this figure, which has a width of 100 mm and depth of 10 mm. And therefore, this bar is bent actually as shown in this second figure here. Okay. So now what happens is when it is going to bend, the stresses are going to develop. The more you bend, the more stresses are going to develop. So he is asking us that if the maximum stresses are limited to 500 Newton per mm square, ఒకవేళ అందులో డెవలప్ అవుతున్న మాక్సిమం స్ట్రెసెస్ అనేది లిమిట్ 500 న్యూటన్ పర్ ఎంఎం స్క్వేర్ అయితే ఎంతవరకు వంచొచ్చు దాన్ని? సో వెన్ ఎవర్ ఎ బీమ్ ఈస్ బెంట్, ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ న్యూ పారామీటర్ దట్ ఈస్ radius of curvature or radius of curvature which is represented with capital R. So whenever a beam is bent in such a way, as you can see, it has a radius capital R, radius of curvature, and the here x, the distance between the outer layer to the inner layer to the center is the least internal radius, and of course the outermost layer to the center is the maximum external radius. So that is the exterior radius. So now he is asking you to calculate what is x, the least internal radius. So what would be the value of x? So it's simple. First of all, in order to find x, you need to find r. As you can see from this figure, r is equals to x plus b by 2, x plus 10 by 2, which is equals to x plus 5. So what is the value of x? R minus 5. So if you calculate the value of r, you can easily calculate the value of x. So let us find out. So what is the equation that we need to use? You need to use the bending equation. That's it. So what is the bending equation, guys? So bending equation is m by I is equals to f by y is equals to e by r. So now, in order to solve this problem, I need to use the second and third term. The first term is of no use at this point. So what is the equation, guys, that I need to? F by y is equals to e by r. So I'm trying to find out what is the value of r. So r is equals to e into y divided by f. So now, what is the values of these parameters? E, which is equals to 2 into 10 to the power of 5 Newton per mm square. This is given in the question. And what is the value of F, the maximum stress that can be allowed, which is equals to 500 Newton per mm square. So let me write this as F max, because this is the maximum stress that is allowed in the body, right? So where do you think this stress is going to develop? As it is a rectangular cross section, topmost layer and bottommost layer are having a maximum stress of 500 Newton per mm square, isn't it? Therefore, y is equals to y max is equals to distance between the center of gravity to topmost layer or bottommost layer. Anything will be the same, which is equals to 5 mm. So now you know all the values. Let us find out the answer. So substitute the values, guys. So r is equals to e, 2 into 10 to the power of 5 into what is the value of y? It is 5 divided by 500. So just you can cancel these. And you are going to get 2 into 10 to the power of 3 mm. or 2000 mm. Therefore, what is the value of x? X is equals to r minus 5, which is equals to 2000 minus 5, which is equals to 1995 mm. So 1995 mm is the least internal radius, which is called, of course, you can write it as 1.995 meter. This is the x value, right?